Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel where we discuss all things related to competitive exams and admissions. Today we are diving into the KCET and exploring the correlationship between the rank and marks. This video is a part 1 of our series, so be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Let's get started. Now many KCET aspirants often wonder about the relationship between their marks and the rank they can expect to achieve. In this three-part series, we will analyze the previous year data to provide some insights. Remember, this is based upon the previous trends and the actual ranks may vary each year. Firstly, let's look on what factors KCET rank is decided. Number one is the performance in your KCET exam. The primary factor that determines KCET rank is the performance in the KCET examination. The exam consists of multiple choice questions in physics, chemistry, maths, and biology. The scores obtained in these subjects contribute to your rank, and also it depends upon your UC or class 12 board examination marks. Second one is reservation category. The reservation category to which a candidate belongs also affects the KCT rank. These are reserved for categories such as scheduled caste, scheduled tribes, other backward classes like OBCs, and various other quotas like Kannada medium quota, etc. Candidates belonging to these categories may receive rank concessions or have separate rank cutoff. Number third is total number of seats. The total number of seats available for a particular course also affects the rank. If there are limited seats for a specific course, the competition may be intense and the rank required for the admission might be higher. Now let's start by looking at the KCD 2022 result. We have collected data from a larger sample of students who appeared for the exam last year, and we will present the form of a plot graph. The x-axis represents the marks and the y-axis represents the corresponding ranks. As you can see from the graph, there is a general trend of higher marks corresponding to the lower ranks. This means that the students with the higher marks tend to secure a better rank in the KCET. However, it's important to note that there are always exceptions to this trend. Now, let's discuss some key observations from the data. In KCET, total marks obtainable is 180, and each subject carrying marks of 60 marks. Looking at the plot, we can see that the most students scoring above 100 marks secured a rank below 5000. Students who scored between 90 to 100 marks usually obtained the ranks ranging from 5000 to 10,000, and those who scored between 80 and 90 marks typically got ranks between 10,000 and 15,000. Beyond that, students with marks below 80 had rank beyond 15,000. Keep in the mind these are the approximate ranges based upon the previous year's data, and the cutoffs may vary each year. Various factors, including the difficulty level of the exam and the performance of the other candidates, can influence the cutoffs. In the part 2 of this series, we will dive deeper into the KCT rank versus marks and also provide a detailed chart which will give you a clear cut idea what rank you will obtain. That's all for the part 1 of our KCT rank versus mark series. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a like and share it with your juniors who are preparing for the KCET 2024. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the part 2 video. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.